Hey everybody, this is Dan again with Learn to Smoke, coming at you this time with some smoked candy pecans. These make for an awesome holiday treat, whether you put them in a pecan pie or just snack on them. They're good any time of year with that. But we're gonna walk through the process here. It's a fairly quick process, pretty easy to put together, and a very delightful treat to have. So follow along and we'll see what happens. Got all the ingredients gathered here to make some smoked candy pecans. So first off, I got a bowl of pecans. This is 12 ounces right here. So 3/4 of a pound. And then I got a half stick of butter, which is a 1/4 cup. And what I want to do with this right now, actually, I'm going to just pour this all in. Pretty simple. And I've got a half teaspoon of salt. Sprinkle that in. I've got a whole teaspoon of cinnamon. Go ahead and put that in here. And next, I'm going to mix this up. I'll mix it up with my hand, so I get my hand all messy. I'm going to put on this nitrile glove. So just go ahead and mix that all around, just like that. Mixes up pretty quick, so we're done mixing that up. Now I've got a 1/4 cup of brown sugar. I'm going to go ahead and toss in here. Mix that around. You know, you can mix all the dry ingredients together. I just, for the video here, I just mixed them separately. Totally planned to do that on purpose. Now, I'm gonna take a 1/4 cup of maple syrup. Pour that in there. Looks about a 1/4 cup-ish. I'll mix it up again. So now, just like that, the ingredients are all mixed together. Super simple here, y'all. Next step is to put them on this pan. Now what I'm going to do with this pan, well, I'm going to take this, I'll take this glove off, just like that. I'm going to take some aluminum foil to line this. The reason I want to line that is because I don't want that mess sticking to my pan and make it a lot harder for me to clean. This makes it super easy for cleanup. You will thank me later. Spin that over the sides there. Let's go ahead and pour these in. Yeah, remember I took that glove off? I should have done the foil separately first, which is what I normally do, but when I was doing this video, I wanted to show you the foil itself being put on there. Anyway, so go ahead and spread that around. Try and spread it as even as you can. If you can't, no big deal. But I'm using this smaller pan, this baking sheet, because it fits perfectly. Right, just like that, it's time to take it to the grill. Taking it to a preheated grill, just so you know, taking it to a preheated grill at 275 degrees with hickory wood. As I mentioned, this grill is at 275 at hickory smoke. Got it right here. Toss it on the grill for 25 minutes. We'll see you later. It's been 25 minutes now. Go ahead, open this up. Oh, it smells so good. And it looks pretty good too. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and close this up. Let these cool off. Here we go. Fresh off the grill. Now what I like to do to help accelerate the cooling process, and since I did use some syrup, I'm going to take this this baking sheet. I'm gonna put this over it. The plan is to do this and put a cooling rack over it. It's got a little bit of syrup on it, so it'll be a little sticky, a little extra sticky and runny. So to help eliminate that, go ahead and take this cooling rack right here, put it over that. This is still hot, so let me get my glove. Well, actually, tell you what, the foil should be cooled down by now. There we go. What I'm gonna do is bring this over. Just gonna let them rest like this. That way you get some separation from the hot pan that we had here. And they'll cool down a little faster because you get air underneath it. And also you'll see some syrup starting to drip down. But I'll let this rest. They usually say to about room temperature. For me, I like to let it rest probably about an hour and a half, 2 hours before I start digging in. So we'll come back. I'm trying to separate it out, actually. Trying to separate it out so that way we can let them cool off quicker. Okay. We'll come back to this. I'll move this, but we'll come back to this in about a couple hours. One more thing I like to do is add a little extra brown sugar. Sprinkle it on top. Give a little bit of an extra sweeter taste to them because, well, the candied pecans. It's okay if they taste sweet, right? That's what we're going for. So with that probably takes about an extra, I don't know, 1/4 cup or less than that. Maybe 1/8 of a cup of brown sugar you sprinkle on it. Okay. I'm trying to spread it out equally. I don't know if I'm doing a great job, but either way. Now that you made it to this part of the video, we're done. These are cooled and rested, ready to eat. Love them. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like this video as well. Feel free to leave a comment too. And I'll try my best not to talk with my mouth full. Thanks for watching.